EMBP for me is I really didn't know what it was going to be like. I had a kind of a thought about it, but first of all, you walk into the office and you feel the energy, healing energy here, anyways. And then everybody who works here are like-minded people. I mean, I resonate with them. I feel their heart and soul. So you already feel that healing experience. I knew I was going to get healed because of just the way the circumstances happened and allowing me to get this gift that literally I believe has saved my life. And I went in and I had an EEG, and the EEG said exactly what I've been saying, but nobody believed, that I had all of these issues going on that, you know, people just thought I was, I've been called a hypochondriac. I've been called everything under the sun, which really hurt my spirit. But the EEG showed this is what's been happening. So instead of being fearful, it actually made me feel a sense of relief and hope that there's something that can help. To my surprise, I sat in this comfortable chair. They put something on my head, and then it pulsates every minute on the minute for 30 minutes, if I'm correct. And it's relaxing and everything else. But what I noticed when I left, I haven't mentioned, my body was like a freight train, literally going through my nervous system 24 hours a day, 4 years. And I shook like I was, I used to say I'm like 100 years old. I was shaking all the time. I couldn't hold a cup of coffee. It was like people would tease me and say, the coffee's turning to a latte because Jamie's, give it to Jamie, it'll turn it to a latte. And it was a funny way to do it, but I put my hands on the steering wheel and I noticed I was hardly shaking at all. And you have no idea how significant that is because I couldn't put mascara on. It was just so bothersome and embarrassing. And my writing was like somebody, my nervous system was shot. And that's what I noticed first. And my kids noticed it. And then it was like being able to read a menu when I could not do that. My daughter noticed that, like mom's reading the menu. Um, my headaches, I haven't had a headache since, not one headache, not one anxiety attack, not one panic attack, not one fight or flight. The sense of doom is completely gone. I'm not living fearing what can happen to my mom, what can happen to my son, what can happen with my job, what can happen with the world. I'm able to deal with the situations that are still the same as they were before I started in a much more healthy way, which is helping my children, helping my son, and the better I get, the more I'll be able to help him because when I'm a nervous wreck, that's not helping anybody. And it certainly is damaging to my life and my just spirit of who I was becoming. I feel Jamie for the first time, and I'm going to say in years, maybe over a decade. I see the sparkle in my eye, which I couldn't even look at my own face for a long time. Couldn't look at my eyes because I did not know that person, and my daughter didn't know that person. And I may be getting older, but I feel like I'm getting better. And if everything that I have been through is going to help one person, but I know this will help hundreds and thousands of people. If it helped me, it can help anybody. I'm telling you, I was literally, I believe, close to my body shutting down, and for sure my mind, my heart, everything. And I'm just excited for life, and that is like the hugest miracle. Is I'm excited for life. I'm excited to be the mom to my kids and the employee that I can be and help all the people that I can help again. That gives me purpose. And my life, my relationship, my spiritual relationship has grown tremendously, and I have faith again and I see the beauty in life and I'm grateful for so much. And that was long gone.